Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you the Insignia, and this one is my Christmas gift for Daddy Roel. Sabi niya dapat daw ang gift yung nakaka-relax, parang pinagluluto ko daw siya ulit. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel destinyWorldUnlimited, and today we're gonna open the Insignia 10-quart black digital air fryer and oven. And today I'm gonna show you too what are the foods that we cook or we try on our air fryer / oven Insignia. Please watch this. So the air fryer accessories have 2 cooking racks, deep tray, rotisserie spit, and rotisserie spit removal tool. What I'm showing you is the rotisserie spit and the rotisserie spit removal tool. This is more than an air fryer because you can roast, bake, and fry. I'm gonna show you later what are the foods that I bake and what are the foods that I'm planning to make using this or soon on my channel. Our regular price of this is $150, but it's on sale at Best Buy. You can check it anytime. Sometimes they offer like it's just $50. The package came with 3 user guide, English, Spanish, and French. So you can choose whatever it's easier for you to follow. There are also preset time and temperature that you can use. For example, for toast, it's 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. For pizza, it's 300 for 12 minutes. I use that for the Totino's pizza rolls, and it really come out great. For the French fries, it's 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Try that for my potato chips, but it's kind of, it toasts much of my potato chips. So I recommend like you check it from time to time. And for the steak and chops, you can use 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. For fish or shrimp, it's 320 Fahrenheit 12 minutes. For chicken, it's 370 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. For cake, 320 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. For rotisserie, it's you have to check from time to time by using mid temperature. And for the preheat, you can check the symbol. It's for 6 minutes. To dehydrate fruits and vegetables, it's 120 minutes for 95. My first is hamburger, and we use regular ground beef, and then we put some onion and garlic and pepper and salt. Use the 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and check it, and then just flip it if it's not cooked yet. For the baked potatoes, we use the vegetable preheat temperature, and then also we use some sour cream, bacon bits, butter for our baked potato, and also we use, at the same time we cook the baked asparagus. It's just like putting the baked asparagus at the same time with the baked potatoes, and putting some salt and pepper and butter for the baked asparagus. For the Totino's pizza rolls, much better if you lay it with spaces. It will evenly cook. The potato chips, you can use mandolin to cut your potatoes. Put some salt and pepper, and you can put some oil before you put it on the Insignia oven air fryer. And you can also put some cheese powder, and kids love it. Soon we will be posting our rotisserie chicken recipe, and we will show it to our blog soon. And all the food, the spring roll, all the veggie recipes, we will show on our channel. The mushroom, baked mushroom, the broccoli. I have these recipes from Tasty, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna share it to you how it goes. This is the sweet potato. We can try the zucchini, the cauliflower, broccoli, quesadilla. Fried onion rings. I'm gonna try also the sweet potato fries, buffalo cauliflower bites, the avocado fries, green bean fries, zucchini fritters, and so much more. So please stay tuned, guys, and please come back to our channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and don't forget the bell notification so you'll always be notified every time we have a new video. Thanks so much. Don't forget.